They were fixing the rear blinker on a 2005 Dodge Caravan. Normally they would have these two screws here. These ones got these tabs. You can take two screwdrivers and stick them under here. So like that down here. Take the light off. Take the light out. You have to squeeze two things here to get it out. There's not going to be any wires or anything. To get the bulb out, you just grab it, pull. Grab your new one. Try not to touch the bulb part. And I'm going to put some bulb grease on there. The bulb grease makes it last a bit longer. A bit too much. Let's go. That's good. Take your thing. Oh, I'm touching the bulb. Pop it back in. And then you pop that back in. The other one is just the same. When you go to put it back on, you're going to stick this thing here, little tab there, and that slot there. And you line it up. And then you go pop these tabs back in. And there you go.